Hello again. Now I'm going to run through this example where we have to calculate mu. So it's familiar setup again, box on an incline. We're saying it's accelerating 0.75 meters per second squared down the ramp. 25 degrees. I got all the forces listed. Mass is 1.5 kilograms. Okay, so all kinds of ways you can start a question like this. When I know the mass and the acceleration though, it's because this step's so simple and it feels good to start a problem on the right foot. I know I can calculate the net force. I'm going to need it at some point. So I'm just going to go ahead and calculate mass times acceleration. So that's going to be 1.5 times 3/4 here. So there's a net force of 1.125 newtons. Okay. Now, we use these free body diagrams to recognize what forces combine to give us the net force. And this is the most familiar arrangement where the net force of something accelerating down a ramp is equal to the parallel component of gravity, subtract the friction. All right, and we've done questions like this. We find friction. There's just going to be an extra step at the end. All right, so I'll definitely need my parallel force. I'll just do that off to the side here. It's always mg sine. Okay, so I've calculated that 6.22 newtons are pulling the box down the ramp. However, only 1.125 newtons is the net force. Okay, the difference, of course, will be that force of friction. Okay, so we need this. We're not quite done, but we almost are. And this is a problem we were already doing. All right, so we calculated the net force, just mass times acceleration. We know that parallels what's pulling it down. The difference is what's holding it up. Okay, so that's that 5.09 newtons. To finish this, we just use our new formula, and we're finding mu. Okay, we have the force of friction, and the normal force, remember, is the same as the perpendicular force, which is which is mg cos theta. So what I'm going to do is just multiply all those numbers together. I get 13.34. Okay, and mu is just the quotient. I get an answer of 0.38. Okay, and just a reminder, there are no units on mu. Okay, Physics 20, I hope this helps. Good luck.